Now that you have an understanding of EU GMP, let's take a look at Annex 1. Annex 1 covers the manufacturing of sterile medicinal products for human and veterinary use. It's one of 19 annexes from the Udrilex Volume 4 GMP guideline that governs both the manufacture and import of medicinal products in the EU. Its primary goal is to prevent the microbial, particulate, and pyrogen contamination in these products. Annex 1 was first released in 2003 and revised in 2008. In 2017, the European Commission published a new draft of Annex 1, intended to add clarity and introduce the principles of quality risk management. The European Commission is responsible for governing these standards, as well as legislation proposal, executing decisions, enforcing treaties between its members, and handling the daily business of the EU. It's common for some of the principles and guidelines in Annex 1 to be implemented in the production of non-sterile products, where the goal is to control and reduce the amount of contaminants. Annex 1 breaks down cleanroom areas into grades and defines which grade different processes fall under, as well as what standards each grade must adhere to. Grade A is where your high-risk operations occur. Filling zones, stopper bowls, open ampules and vials, and making aseptic connections are your most common Grade A operations. Grade A environments require continuous monitoring during all processes. Grade B is where aseptic preparation takes place and is the background environment for Grade A zones. EU GMP recommends continuous monitoring of Grade B environments as well. Grades C and D are clean areas designated for less critical stages in the manufacturing process of sterile products. Annex 1 contains additional topics like the types of equipment to be used, personnel management, cleanliness, and facility maintenance. The contents of Annex 1 are subject to change as the industry evolves. Currently, there is an update of Annex 1 in the draft phase that is not yet finalized. Subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on these crucial standards.